Hey babes, welcome back. This is your girl, Brown Girl Bella, and I'm here to bring you today's video is going to be on her holiday collection with a little help from Bridgerton for the lips. It is our palette once again, as well as her cheek and highlighter palette. Bridgerton collection, Bridgerton 2. There's a satin lipstick, very berry in tone, perfect for the holiday season. And now let's finish off the rest of the face with some powder, also by Pat McGrath. We're gonna start with her under eye powder. And this is in the shade yellow. It's one of my faves. Also quite often seen in my monthly favorites. And for all over the face, we're going to use medium number 3 powder by Pat McGrath. I just finished washing all of my brushes so they feel so soft and beautiful. It's like a dream. One more thing, I am going to use my powder from Pat McGrath. This is the medium deep number 4, which I use as a bronzer. So I'm just going to lightly bronze up the face, give it a little bit more warmth. Hold please. And that is the completed look using the new palettes for the holidays from our mother Pat. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, if you're new and you like what I do, hit that subscribe button, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload or go live. Until next time, you have now been Bellafied.